Hey, Paul2, your free online business coach. Zero offers because everybody knows the game. So a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago or more now, I made a video called The Manualist and how we need to become more and more manual. And I know nobody wants to do that. They want to be automated. And it sounds great. But I think that right now, especially, that is an old message. That we've got to make sure that we're staying current, that we're staying active, that we are staying connected physically more than ever before, personally, one-to-one, more than ever before. And if I was selling anything, I would use the method I'm about to share with you and sell that specific message. So, I was online last night. One of my buddies was making some offers, so I kind of went through it and thought, man, this is unbelievable because it's really fairly manual. So I'm going to step by step you through it. There's 7 stages. And do not feel like on the first stage you're going, oh, wait a minute, I don't have that, I'm out. So I don't want any of this negative thinking, any excuse thinking, any reasons why you can't do it thinking. That stuff is ridiculous. So you can't have that mindset. What you got to say is, I may not have that, but here's my twist in order to do something similar. So I got my notes here. Number 1 is he does have an active audience. I'm not talking about an email list. He's got a Facebook group that he is very regularly not just posting content, he's sharing with his folks. And for the most part, it is a coaching Facebook group. People are asking questions and he is answering those questions. Others members answer those as well. But for the most part, he's got this active audience. So what I would ask you to do is make a list of people you are actually communicating with right now. Even if they're part of other groups, you may say, I don't even have a Facebook group. Fine. I don't have an email list. No problem. Look in the groups that you are in and have you built any relationships with people within that group or the group owner? If you've got Instagram, if you've got TikTok, whatever that is, and people are following you that you have some influence with, make sure that you're writing down that component because that is your active audience. Those are the people interacting. I don't care if it's 5. Because what you want to make sure that you do is have somebody to get the message out in front of. And you can get as creative with this as you want to. If you've got a group owner that will allow you to post about it, great. All right, so that's the first deal. Second stage is a leveraged message. It's even more critical right now that it's about a shift or a change or a way that they can take the current circumstances and do something extremely positive. So obviously in business, it's how you can help others work from home and make more money, right? With fitness, how to do home workouts. Maybe you're doing a daily workout that your people are going to get to join in with you on. Anything along those lines. Anything that you can do virtually right now, regardless of your niche, and how you can show people how to get a result regardless of them not being able to go to the gym or able to go to their therapy session or whatever it is, then there is an opportunity right now. So it's a leveraged message, an adjustment that they've got to make. Number 3 is that you've got to show some results in advance. Whether it's a best friend or a family member or 2 or 3, you need to find something that you can bring a result on quickly. Okay, so this is where we get hung up because we're always trying to create this huge product. Product does not even have to exist yet. I've launched products where I sold it all ahead of time and then held workshops, virtual workshops. So that's totally possible. Or if you know that you can produce a fast result, and I've used this example before, it'd be so easy right now for me to go out and sell some keynotes as far as helping people develop their keynote. Because right now there's a lot of downtime for a lot of people, not everybody, but there's pockets of where I could say, hey, if you give me 30 minutes, we can create your keynote top to finish or top to bottom. Now, in the results in advance, I would take somebody and do that for them. I would actually listen to them, maybe even record the session, and find out, they're going to say, man, it was unbelievable. Spent 30 minutes with Paul, 45 minutes with Paul, 6 minutes with Paul. Got this incredible result. Here's the evidence. And so if that was my core leveraged message as a keynote that they're going to be able to use once the virus is over, they can use virtually right now, then if I show them that they can get that result quickly, that's a leveraged message and results in advance that I've taken somebody through the system and they've gotten the result that I'm going to be promising. So that's number 3. Number 4 is an interactive invitation. Interactive invitation. So let's say that I took Phil and Sally through this 30-minute process, the $1 million keynote process in 30 minutes or less. And I talk about their results. And I talk about how they feel like for the first time in their life, they own their message. In fact, I get them maybe to text me their testimonial. Man, I can't believe how easy that was, how quick. I never would have pulled that message out of myself. And so I'm really thrilled about it. And so I'm posting that. And then I'm saying, hey, if you would like the same result as Phil and Sally, comment below, yes. So they comment below, yes. And then you reply and say, do I have permission to PM you? And then they're going to say yes, or they're not going to reply at all. But what are you doing? You're setting the stage and you're getting permission to not just PM, but you're having actually a little bit of a conversation. They said yes, and you didn't just automatically send it. Do I have permission to PM you? Yes, you do. So now it's become interactive. So that was number 4. Number 5 is the PM protocol that basically says, hey, here are the details. Now get this, my buddy did not send us to a typical sales page. And I mentioned this in the original Manualist. It doesn't matter where you have the sales page. His is on Evernote. You could do it in Google Drive, Google Doc. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. And there was not a checkout link on the sales document. It said at the bottom, and it had the price on it and all that. It's above $1,000 offer. He said, PM me back. I'm in or I'm out. So this is an interactive process. It's conversational. It's even a minimal conversation. We're not getting into any deep details. It's just yes or no, I'm in, I'm out. Super clean, super clear. So step number 6 is PM back. I'm in or I'm out. I tied that in with 5. But PM back, I'm in or I'm out. And then number 7, stage 7, is you send a checkout link. You just send the checkout link. You're probably thinking, what am I selling? It's totally up to you. Like I was saying, I could sell a keynote production package or, monetize your message package, anything along those lines. You just determine what that is, write up a quick sales page about it. Don't even have to have it on a website. All of this took place through Facebook and Evernote. The end. The Manualist. So let me hit these points one more time. An active audience, leveraged message, results in advance, interactive invitation, PM protocol where you send the details, PM back, I'm in or I'm out, send the checkout link if they say I'm in. That's it. Some people are going to have more questions, and you can just begin the dialogue there. You could say, hey, let's get on a quick Zoom and let's walk through it. I just want to make sure I've got everything answered before you decide to take this step. So there you go. Manualist Volume 2. It's absolutely possible. Hey, and still, 0 offers. So everybody knows the game. Success is not an accident. Be blessed.